Hey everyone, are you looking for a fantastic 100% free way to watch live TV and movies on your Roku device? Today I am going to show you exactly how to download, install and set up Pluto TV. It is one of the most popular free streaming apps available right now, packed with hundreds of channels. Let me walk you through the entire process step by step. Starting from your main Roku home screen, grab your remote and navigate down the left side menu until you find the search option. Click on search. Using the on-screen keyboard, start typing the word Pluto. Pluto. You will quickly see the app titled Pluto TV Free Movies and Shows appear on the right side of your screen. Select that app and then click on the Add Channel button. It will take just a few moments to download and install on your device. Since Pluto TV is completely free, you won't be charged a single penny for this download. Once the installation finishes, click OK and then select Go to Channel to open the app. Now, to get the best personalized experience and to save your favorite channels, Pluto TV will ask you to quickly create an account. Don't worry, it is completely free and very easy. First, you will need to enter your email address. After that, create a secure password for your new account. Next, it will ask for your date of birth. Finally, it will ask for your zip code. Make sure to enter your local zip code here, as this helps Pluto TV provide you with the correct local news and weather channels for your specific area. Once you have filled out those details, just click on the sign up button. Right after you signed up, you are dropped straight into the Pluto TV interface, and it is amazing. You will immediately see a familiar live TV guide that looks just like a traditional cable menu. You can use your remote to scroll through hundreds of live channels. On the left side, everything is neatly categorized, so you can easily jump between live sports, breaking news, reality TV, comedy, and classic movies. And if you are not in the mood for live TV, you can navigate over to the On-Demand tab, where you can choose from thousands of free movies and TV shows to watch whenever you want. It is a brilliant app for anyone wanting to cut the cord and enjoy free entertainment. If this setup guide helped you get Pluto TV working today, please do me a huge favor and smash that like button down below. It really helps out the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy Roku streaming tutorials and tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.